on POWAMOTO, where we be smoking every day. And today, find out why the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT be smoking.
Introducing POWAMOTO, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
POWAMOTO. What's that, bro?
It's a Rebel.
What?
1100
DCT. Are you gonna let me
Hear it?
It's for YouTube, baby. It's for YouTube. Yeah. So it has a front cowl, huh?
Yeah.
I like that. You can order it with a cowl?
I guess this is how they're coming
Look
now.
like a mini Harley right there.
That's what I thought it was at first.
Look at that. But I found you the bike perfect for you, bro. He's tall. He'll fit good. Oh, yeah. Tall people fit good on this bike. He's like 6'1". Heard you can't stretch forward too much with your legs.
That's why I'm like,
It's better for a shorter rider like me, right?
100%.
Ha ha ha!
Who says a Honda Rebel has to be a beginner bike? While it's true that the smaller displacement Rebel 300 and Rebel 500 are ideally suited to newer riders, the Rebel 1100 is a serious bike for serious bikers. And in 2022, that hasn't changed a bit. That being said, it's not like Honda Motorcycles has reinvented the wheel here. This is still a Rebel through and through. You get the same reliability, safety features, and smooth power delivery that characterizes the entire Rebel range of bikes.
Basically an automatic, easy to drive. Just flick the throttle and you go. I might have to get one of those when I get old.
This bike is just bigger and badder, featuring a 184cc parallel twin engine, the same one, incidentally, that is nestled inside their legendary CRF 1100L Africa twin. That's right, so POWAMOTO and Sky Champion are thinking about going for a ride on a 2022 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT, and we be smoking. Like the smaller Rebels, the 1100 is basically unchanged for 2022. You get a new color, that's right. Check out this Pearl Stallion Brown. At an increase of only $100, but the 2021 model didn't exactly need revamping. With 86 horsepower and 72 foot-pounds of torque at 7,000 and 4,250 RPM respectively, this is a bike that offers plenty of accessible power, even for seasoned riders. That's right, the bike with selectable riding modes, cruise control, and ABS, even a USB charging port for all you out-of-town bikers. Features ensures that it remains an up-to-date entry in Honda's 22 motorcycle lineup. If you're looking for a reliable all-around cruiser bike, this year, the Rebel 1100 has got you covered. The 22 Honda Rebel. Review on POWAMOTO. Subscribe today at only $93.99 and $13,199 Canadian. You need to get this as a must-buy. Not a rented, not a pass, a must-buy on POWAMOTO.
DCT Honda review up and coming. If you've got a Honda Rebel 1100, hit me up. We're doing reviews on POWAMOTO. Subscribe today.
Do you like bikes?
I do, I love bikes.
Awesome, then we love you, my YouTube community. We have over 4,000 subscribers and 10,900 on Instagram. Love you. They're watching right now.
YouTube loves you, POWAMOTO! She's doing it all right, this girl!
Thank you for your videos. Your videos were stupendous. I hope you saw them. Follow me on social media. I'll send it to you. It's so good. It's so good.
If you like this review video, please check out some of my other review videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.